Do you all ever feel like you're on the brink of just screaming your head off? Yeah, that's me today. So I just had to give myself a little treat to relax, just some chocolate. You know, this is really dangerous, but yeah, some chocolate just to calm my nerves from literally screaming my head off. The struggle is real. If this is your first time watching me, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gia. I'm a working mom who is just trying to stay sane today. I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below, as well as the little bell next to it. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. So I'm doing a working mom weekday meal. I haven't posted one of these in a long time. I'm getting ready to start my keto lifestyle. Girls, no. I'm getting ready to start my keto eating style again. We just got back from Mexico. If you haven't seen that vlog, if I posted it, I will insert a card here for you to watch it. So it's time for me to detox and kind of eat healthy again. My body responds really well to the keto lifestyle. I lost 18 pounds over the summer doing it. I posted a whole video about that, and you can tap this eye right here to watch that. But yeah, I'm following this keto meal plan. 30-day meal plan for keto. It's super easy, so many different options. It was only $9. Absolutely love it. I will leave a link for it down below. I'll insert a little clip here of how it looks, but it's been very, very useful and helpful for me.
First of all, guys, this is way more than a 30-day meal plan. And I just want to say that I bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video or anything like this, but this has been the best $9 I spent when it comes to meal planning, especially for my keto meals. But what it is she created this with like theme nights. I don't know if you guys meal plan with theme nights before. I never have, but it does make it a lot easier where it's like it's just a theme that you go for each night. So she like explains the different theme nights here, and then she has all these recipes under the theme night. So you have like Meatless Monday, Make Ahead Monday, or Mexican Monday, or Takeout Tuesday, One Pot Wednesday, even Takeout Tuesday, there's still recipes there. All these recipes, I mean, they're well over, I mean, you could probably use all of these recipes in like 90 days. I mean, there's 90 days worth of recipes in here, and I definitely don't cook every day, but what I love the most about this is that you want to know how to make these mozzarella sticks, you click on it and it takes you exactly to the recipe. It's like everything. So you just click and it takes you there, and then you can come back, and I just love it. So I just thought I'd share it with you guys. Again, a link for it is in the description box.
But it just takes the guessing game out of it for me, and there's so many options on there that I could probably use it for more than a month. For just me, my husband will eat like this sometimes. He won't be as strict as me, and my kids will sometimes, but you know, for them, I can always just throw something together for them. But for $9, it was the best $9 I spent, because I can just go ahead and not have to worry about trying to meal plan for myself. I just always have an option. So for tonight, I'm making shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. Well, not your traditional shrimp scampi. It's more like, it's Old Bay shrimp scampi. That's what I'm gonna make. So now I'm gonna get ready to, I have my shrimp and zucchini noodles. That's pretty much all you need. Seasoning. I'm going to shell my shrimp and then get started. I don't know what the kids are gonna eat tonight, because I don't think they're gonna eat this, but we'll try. Whew, Lord, y'all. I just had to send the girls upstairs to lay down for a minute, because they were just wrestling and arguing and fighting. I mean, it's just a lot. Anyway, all right, I have my shrimp here. This is the shrimp that I'm using. I got this shrimp from Costco when they had the roadshow, and it's just been in my freezer this time. So I bought it today. This is a lot of shrimp. I'm not gonna cook all of this shrimp. I'm going to save some of it and cook some for dinner, probably for Friday night too. Because again, this is just a lot of shrimp. So do you guys shop at the roadshow? Leave a comment down below and let me know at Costco. I absolutely love it. Good size shrimp. See, this is my hand. Seasoned well with some butter. These are absolutely delicious. Always fresh. And you can't beat it, because you're not, like, for at least where I live in Georgia, I'm not gonna find shrimp like this in a restaurant. Usually they're like small and scrawny or whatever. And shrimp is so quick and easy to make. Like, it doesn't take any time. This whole meal will take me like 15 minutes. The longest part is just taking the shells off. So yeah, so I'm going to continue to do this. Then I'm going to spiralize my zucchinis. Also, I think fallen back in love with my Instant Pot. Do you guys use your Instant Pot at all? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys use and what your favorite Instant Pot recipe is, or what's your favorite dish to cook in your Instant Pot, because I made some corn on the cob with my Instant Pot last night and it literally took 4 minutes, y'all. 4. It took 4 minutes. And I'm like, oh, heck yeah, I need to just fall in love with this again. So if you guys have any good recipes, link them in the comments, or good blogs or anything, YouTube videos, anything, link them, because I'm about to go crazy with my Instant Pot. And leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys would like to see me cooking in my Instant Pot, if you want me to make this like a regular thing on my channel. Let me know if you like cooking videos or different recipe ideas. I don't come up with recipes on my own usually. This is a recipe that I came up on my own, but typically I'm on Pinterest all the time or on different blogs and stuff looking. But yeah, so let me continue to do this and I will show you guys when I'm done. All right, guys, so the only thing I'm gonna season my shrimp with is this Old Bay. This will make your seafood taste delicious. Trust me, it's so good. It's a little on the spicy side. Well, not to me because I like spicy food, but if you're sensitive to like spicy food, you might want to go light-handed. We go very heavy-handed on it because my husband loves it. These are for my children, so I'm going to lightly sprinkle these, and I'm actually going to like fry these, not deep fry, but just pan fry these for my kids because they love popcorn shrimp. But if I leave it whole, they just won't eat it. It's just weird, and they don't like sauteed shrimp. So that's the only thing I'm going to season my shrimp with. Then in my pan, I'm going to warm up a half a stick of butter and like probably 2 heaping spoonfuls of garlic, minced garlic. And when I tell you guys this is going to be delicious with the zucchini noodles, it's so good with the extra butter and garlic and everything. So I'm going to season these up and I'll show you what it looks like when they're in the pan. So here are my girls' shrimp that I'm going to pan fry, and I'm just going to cover them with a little bit of olive oil and panko crumbs. I get a big box from Costco, and then pan fry them in some olive oil. This is what they look like all covered with the olive oil and the panko crumbs. So now I'm just going to I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic to this, garlic and pepper, because I didn't put that much Old Bay on their pieces. Just a little bit to give it a little bit of flavor. Mix that all around. Now I'm gonna put it in the pan. So here's what they look like in the pan. I've never made it like this before. I'm hoping it comes out okay, but we will see. I'm just gonna keep stirring them until they're done. It's not gonna take long, but a few minutes. And then the girls can eat. And ready, done. And that literally took 2 minutes. I'm hoping the girls will eat it with some ketchup. It's not heavily breaded, but at least there's a little breading on there, which, I don't know, it just makes them eat it. Because if I were to not put any breading on it, like I said, they would not eat it. So now I'm going to start making our shrimp, and my hubby is going to spiralize the zucchinis. All right, guys, so here is the pan with the butter and garlic in it. So I'm just going to let this saute for a little bit. I don't have it up very high. It's on medium right now. Again, the girl's shrimp is done. So let this saute a little bit, or let the butter melt, and then I'm going to put the shrimp in it. And does it look good?
No.
Why doesn't it look good? Can you tell me why?
It looks like shrimp from a crab. Crabs are disgusting.
Oh gosh, y'all, the life of a picky eater.
Laura?
It tastes good to me. If they don't eat it, I will. I just let Ava taste the shrimp, and she's like, it's so good. She started dancing. I should have filmed it, but I didn't grab my camera. So at least one of them likes it. But anyway, yeah, hubby's about to spiralize the zucchinis. He's about to make his own little contraption. I love this spiralizer too. I will link it down below. I got it off of Amazon. Best 20 bucks ever spent. Much easier than having a julienne, because you get so much more when you have a spiralizer. Okay, so I just flipped my shrimp. They look, oops, forgot one. Absolutely delicious. Smells delicious. Smells so good. So I'm gonna flip this over and let them turn all the way pink, cook it all the way through, take them out of the pan, and then I'm going to put my zucchini noodles in the same pan and saute them, and then just put the shrimp on top. Here's the rest of the shrimp that I have left over, and I think what I'm gonna make, since I thawed it all out, I have to cook it. But on Friday night, I think I'm gonna make us some coconut shrimp. I'm hoping the girls will like it. I don't think they've ever had coconut shrimp, but we'll try it. And some asparagus, and that'll be our meal for Friday.
Shrimp is all done. Looks delicious. It smells delicious. Here's my pan, and here is my zucchini noodles. I just seasoned them with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. I'm gonna put them in the same pan. Now, for those who have been subscribed to me for a while, you know how much I love Kerrygold butter. I'll show you if you've never seen it before. This is my favorite butter, and it's great to use for keto because it's grass-fed, organic butter. When I tell you, your food will taste different. You will never want to go back. But this is all the Kerrygold butter that I have left, and I literally use it like every day. I gotta go to Costco because that's the only place I buy it because it's so extremely expensive. I just gave Ava another piece of shrimp. Do you want to try it, honey? Why don't you try it? I promise I think you'll like it. You eat popcorn shrimp all the time. Okay, let me get it for you, okay? I'll get you a small piece. Here. Try it. Open your mouth. Ah. Open all the way. Chew it. With some ketchup. You like it?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
You eat popcorn shrimp all the time.
Mommy.
Every time we go out to eat, that's what they get. They go to Captain Gee's. We go to Captain Gee's, we get popcorn shrimp. This is the same thing, except for Mommy made it. Okay, wait. It's time. Wait till it's time to eat, okay? Let me make your plate, okay? Go sit at the table. Okay, so here's the finished product. It looks and smells absolutely delicious. I actually melted a little bit of my Kerrygold butter to pour on top. Those who are not familiar with keto, it's lots of like high fat, healthy fat. And that Kerrygold butter is healthy fat. So I just poured a little bit on top, and it's just so good, guys. So good. Make sure you guys check out that 30-day keto meal plan. Seriously, guys, to have that kind of prep work ahead of time is amazing. So it's just easy for you to prep your meals. So that's it, guys. That's my Working Mom Weekday meal. If you are new to this series, it's just where I show what I cook during the week. You know, I work full-time outside of the home. When I get home, this is just what I cook. Like, a lot of times we eat dinner late. It's like almost 7:30. It is what it is as a working mom. So we'll eat dinner and then give the girls a bath and just do our nightly routine as normal. I have a whole playlist of my Working Mom Weekday meal videos. You can tap this eye right here to watch it. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.